Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Milwaukee Hedge Trimmer is probably one of the most convenient tools for any homeowner looking to maintain a tidy garden. This cordless marvel offers freedom from power cords and gas, making it incredibly easy to maneuver around your yard. With its powerful motor and sharp blades, it effortlessly tackles hedges, bushes, and shrubs, ensuring a clean and professional finish every time. Get ready to experience the future of yard work. Number 5. Milwaukee 2726-20 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. Introducing the Milwaukee 2726-20 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. This powerful tool is designed to make your yard work easier and more efficient. It's a reliable choice for any homeowner. This product is manufactured in China, adhering to strict quality standards. The manufacturing process ensures the durability and performance you expect. Enjoy peace of mind with a 3-year warranty on materials and workmanship. This warranty protects your investment and ensures the product's longevity. This product is designed to meet and exceed customer expectations. It offers the features and performance that users demand for their landscaping needs. This hedge trimmer is built for reliable performance and long-lasting use. It's a tool you can depend on for all your trimming tasks. What we like. This trimmer is manufactured in China, ensuring quality and durability. It also comes with a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you are looking for a reliable tool with a solid warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. Its brushless motor delivers strong, consistent power, while the lightweight design reduces fatigue. The long battery life and smooth cuts make trimming effortless. It cut through them very well, more so than I thought it would, and even a few that were bigger than the specs of the cutter. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This is a bare tool, meaning the battery and charger are not included. It's designed for efficient and powerful trimming. This trimmer is capable of cutting branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick. It makes quick work of tough trimming jobs. This tool will help you get the job done efficiently. The trimmer features a 24-inch blade. This provides a wide cutting path, allowing you to trim more with each pass. It's designed for both speed and precision. This trimmer utilizes M18 fuel technology. This means it offers more power and runtime. This will help you get more done on a single charge. Please note, this is a bare tool only. You will need to provide your own M18 battery and charger. This allows you to use your existing Milwaukee battery platform. What we like. This bare tool is designed to tackle tough jobs with its 24 blade and the ability to cut branches up to 3/4 thick. It's perfect for those who already own Milwaukee batteries and chargers. If you have a lot of hedges with thick branches, this is a great choice. What people say. Good battery life and great cutting power. Trimmed easily 1, 2, 3, 4 in branches. Like the lockout switch that you don't have to hold down once it starts. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer, MIL 2726-20. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. It's a powerful tool designed for efficient trimming. This trimmer is a bare tool, meaning it doesn't include a charger or battery. The M18 fuel technology delivers the power and performance needed for demanding applications. It provides more power, speed, and runtime. This allows you to get the job done quickly and effectively. This trimmer is a bare tool, which means it's sold without a battery or charger. This is a convenient option for those who already own M18 batteries and chargers. It's a cost-effective way to expand your Milwaukee tool collection. The model number is MIL 2726-20. This model is known for its durability and performance. It's built to withstand tough conditions and provide reliable results. Experience the power and efficiency of the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. It's a great addition to any landscaping tool collection. Get yours today and see the difference it makes. What we like. This is a bare tool, meaning it doesn't include a battery or charger. This allows you to save money if you already have Milwaukee batteries. If you are looking to expand your Milwaukee collection without buying extra batteries, consider this. What people say. The power does not match the power of a gas model, however, it does the job perfectly. This one will cut up to 3/4, and fast. The blades are sharp and I was very pleased with the end result, a 30-foot holly bush hedgerow. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer HD Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. This is a powerful tool designed for efficient trimming. It's perfect for maintaining your hedges with ease. Equipped with a red lithium high-demand 9.0 battery, it delivers unmatched runtime and power. This means you can get more done on a single charge, saving you time and effort. The trimmer features a 24-inch blade, providing a wide cutting path. This allows you to cover more ground quickly and efficiently. With a 3/4-inch cut capacity, it can handle a variety of hedge sizes and thicknesses. This ensures a clean and precise cut every time. The kit includes the M18 Fuel Trimmer, AM18 Red Lithium High Demand 9.0 Ah battery, and a rapid charger. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like. This kit includes a high-demand 9.0 Ah battery, providing unmatched runtime and power. The 24 blade makes quick work of hedges. If you need a trimmer that can handle large yards and extended use, this is the perfect option. What people say. This hedge trimmer gets the job done. Plenty of power to take down my overgrown boxwood bushes and no cords to drag or risk cutting. The 9.0 battery powered through the bushes for a couple of hours and was still showing 3/4 charge. Blade is sharp enough to cut through the straw like ornamental grass without hesitation. Number 1. Milwaukee 2726-21 HD Fuel Hedge Trimmer Kit. Today, we're taking a look at the Milwaukee 2726-21 HD Fuel Hedge Trimmer Kit. This is a powerful tool designed for trimming hedges and bushes. It's built to last and deliver excellent performance. This product is manufactured in China. The manufacturing process adheres to strict quality standards. This ensures the tool's reliability and durability. The item weighs 18 pounds. Despite its robust build, it's designed to be manageable during use. This makes it easier to handle for extended periods. This product is designed to meet customer requirements. It offers the features and performance that users expect. It's a tool that delivers on its promises. This product is brought to you by Milwaukee Electric Tools. The brand is known for its high-quality power tools. It's a name you can trust for performance and reliability. What we like. This trimmer is manufactured in China and weighs 18 pounds. It meets customer requirements. If you are looking for a product that meets customer requirements, consider this. What people say. Cuts through larger bush branches and has an amazing battery life. Powerful with a long life. He's very happy with the quality and battery life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.